Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and first impressions of these fake AirPods. They are the TWS i90000. I found them on AliExpress. I will give you guys all the information in the link below because there's variations on each listing on AliExpress. So I'll give you the exact one I bought if they're any good. I have not open them. I just took the plastic off, and here is the sticker from the plastic I just took off, just to give you guys some more information. And let's get into this. So we're going to be going first just the unboxing, and these are the fake AirPods right here. Okay, there we go. So let's see. So you don't get, and I will compare with the real AirPods, which are on the left, what you get in the box and what it looks like. The texture of this looks and feels exactly like this one right here, but it on the back of it, and it doesn't have any of the wording in the bottom like this, but on the back it's also a little bit different, but we'll show you that. And let's see what you get here. It just looks like instructions. Yeah. Okay, there's that. Alright, next. So here are the fakes. And it's not it's packaged very similarly, but this on the real AirPods is near the top and it flips up kind of like this. I'll show you because I still have that as well. But that looks like a lightning port down there. That's interesting. That's good. Oh my god, wow. They look really similar to the real ones. They are supposed to be one-to-one copies. But, yep, there's... Let's see if there's anything here, if we get a lightning cable, and we do. And it is lightning. Wow. For how cheap this was, this is really good. Okay. There's all that. We'll compare really quickly to the regular AirPods. In this, get the Apple design, California, and this is what I was talking about, where the flap is at the top right here on the real AirPods. And I just kept all this in from a while ago because I had lightning ports and I'm using wireless charging mostly. The next part is after I show the unboxing, we're going to compare the AirPods themselves. So on the left here, real ones, right here, fake ones. Feels like a little bit weight difference, but not much. As you can tell on the back here are the fake ones. There's no little text or the design by Apple or any of that. But nevertheless, we're going to pair it with my iPhone. Well, actually, before we pair, we'll just look quickly at the AirPods themselves. So there's no text in here, and you can see by the way that it does have the chip in it. It is pairing right away. And there's no little text around it, but other than that, these are pretty good. They look really good. Right here, and I'm gonna reset this pairing real quick for this, but we'll give you a sense on how quick that was. It's a lot quicker. These are the version 2 AirPods with the H1 chip. I'm guessing they have a W1 chip in the fake ones. But right under here, as you can see, let's see if it focus. Yep, there we go. There's a little text under there. So now let's look at the earbud themselves, one-to-one copy. Yeah, again, it's going pretty quick. It's quite good. Again, there's no text on the fake ones, but as size-wise, they're identical. I can't feel much of a difference at all. So, very good on the shape and the size of the real ones versus the fake ones. Next, we are going to do the pairing process. So as you can tell, I gave you a quick glimpse into it. Both pair via chip. Let's see, real AirPods, go. and they're already connected. I was going to redo the connection, but they are connected. Alright, fake ones. Let's do this. Ooh. Oh, there we go. Took a little longer, but it did it. Let's hold them on the back. There we go. And they are called as you saw there, not my AirPods. Okay, so that's how much they add. Next test I want to do real quickly. In Adam's AirPods number 2, they are thinking they are real AirPods. I'm guessing. Wow, these are really good. Okay, let's do a wireless charging test real quickly. Yep, as you can see down there, fake AirPods, charged wirelessly. Real AirPods, of course, charged wirelessly. Wow, alright. Now we are going to do a music test. And I believe I put up YouTube. So I'm just going to do it with the copyright. I know you guys aren't going to hear any of this music or anything, but I'm going to do it with the copyright music. I know I listened to a couple of them real quickly, so we'll see how they do with the bass, and I will come back to you with my thoughts. Okay guys, it's a little over 15 minutes after listening to the real and the fake AirPods on the copyright free music, and there was differences in bass between the music and sound, and I even called my dad real quick to ask him the sound quality between these two. So here are my thoughts. The fake AirPods sound really good. I was actually extremely surprised that they sounded as good as they did. As good as the real ones? No, they are not as good as the real ones. But can I justify the price point of the real ones compared to these fake ones? That answer is also no. These are $199. These are the Gen 2 wireless charging ones. And yes, they sound better. Yes, they work seamlessly through all my Apple products. But these with the W1 chip also worked pretty seamlessly with this iPhone. They are not even close to the same price. So let's talk about that price real quick. AliExpress, you can give them between $20 and $40 with and without shipping. I will put a link, as I said before, in the description so you can get this exact pair if you want. But there could be individual variation on what they actually send you, so I do warn you about buying using my same link. Maybe you do get something different. I cannot speak to AliExpress. Let's get back to the sound quality thoughts. Not, as I said, they are closer than they should be. The real ones sounding better on a call than the fake ones, but the fake ones did good enough in every situation. What you're paying for with AirPods is the capabilities between your products and the convenience factor. Such a small package, easy to bring anywhere, in a coffee shop, at school. People at my school always wear AirPods. You see them everywhere. But I could very easily see these and not know they'd be the fakes. And they work almost just as well. So between $199 real AirPods and this, I think I would actually go with the fake ones. In all honesty, nobody's actually going to know they're fake. They have done a really good job on these. So the very last thing I want to do before I close out is talk about one last capability, which was the in-ear. I play some music and I take it out. Let's see if it pauses. So you're going to have to believe that I'm putting both these in, but look how they paired that quickly. It's actually incredible. We're going to play this song right here, and you're going to see if they stop or not. Okay, so listening to music, cool. I'm going to take the right AirPod out, and it stops. It stopped just as they said. Let's put it back in. And it's not starting back up where my other AirPods would. The taking it out works to pause it, but the pulling it out did not work. Okay, the last thing I want to do is see if there are double tap gestures. So I'm going to double tap the right ear. I am tapping. It's not doing anything. I do not think they have those gestures on. Left ear? Boom, boom. Nope. Oh, okay. So left ear puts Siri on. The right one's not working. I'm trying it all over the AirPod just in case there's an area. The left one put it on. Let's go into the settings real quick. Let's see if the AirPods even show up in the settings. It does not look like the fake AirPods show up in the settings anywhere. But we're going to do our closing first impressions and everything. Fake AirPods are great. Okay? It's kind of sad to say this because, you know, you want to justify what you've spent and everything. And it's hard to do so when these are on the market and these are this great. There are a couple features that, you know, are on here. But the price difference, you could get a pair of Galaxy Buds plus this and have the same amount. So it is very hard to justify the price point of the real AirPods when stuff like this exists. Thank you all for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe, comment anything, ask any questions, and if you want a full review of these, just let me know in the comments as well.